Away they go. Miss Chanel from the outside, Lee and Unique. Best Asset is running by Darrell. On the outside is New Golden City. Diamond Duchess, So Gorgeous, Mike's Dancer, Treasure Hunter. And on the outside, Golden Hana, Mr. Integrity. Second last, the Chairman is running at the tail. The field, Miss Chanel by some 4 lengths. Best Asset running in second. And running in third by some 7 lengths, Lian Unique. As they race the final corner, Miss Chanel by some 4 lengths. Best Asset is done on the inside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run, Miss Chanel by some 3 lengths. Best Asset is down on the inside. And nearing the last 75 meters, Miss Chanel and Best Asset. And finally, Miss Chanel. Best Asset, Diamond Duchess, New Golden City, So Gorgeous. And for your super size, number 2, Treasure Hunter.